even though questions are less, but they are highly scoring. You know them or you don't know them, and even if they are not scoring, they define your rank. Because हाय एवरीवन, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी। मेरा नाम है प्रणीत मेहता। मैं हूँ चीफ इंजीनियर इन मर्चेंट नेवी, सेलिंग फॉर द लास्ट 14 years, also the director of JMDI Academy, and along with that also the owner of website called Merchant Navy Decoded. So today, with an experience of over 5 years in IMUCT, I'm going to tell you what kind of common mistakes we make in IMUCT. First mistake that we make is that we give sometimes too much importance to IMUCT and we forget sponsorship at the rock bottom, which is bad. You need to give equal importance to both these things. Sponsorship is equally important as your IMUCT is your first thing. Second thing is, you must know that your maths and physics have a lot of advantage, matlab lot of weightage, I would say. 50 questions from maths, 50 questions from physics are going to come, and even if they are not scoring, they define your rank. Because फॉर्मूले आ सकते हैं, सिंपल क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं. इफ़ यू हैव डन देम वेल, यू कैन डू ग्रेट, यू कैन अर्न अ लॉट ऑफ मार्क्स. कॉप इट. थर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज, प्लीज नेवर अंडर एस्टिमेट द पावर ऑफ इंग्लिश, केमिस्ट्री एंड एप्टीट्यूड. चाहे क्वेश्चंस कम आते हैं, इवन दो क्वेश्चंस आर लेस, बट दे आर हाईली स्कोरिंग. यू नो देम or you don't know them. So basically you are saving a lot of time, because in maths there is a time where you can get stuck in calculation. In physics a numerical is going to come where you can get stuck in calculations, but in English either you know the synonym or you don't know the synonym. In aptitude either you can do the percentage ka question or you can't do the percentage ka question. In chemistry it will be simple, either you know or you don't know. So guys, don't leave these scoring aspects behind. Very very important. इसके अलावा द अदर इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर इज विच यू ऑलवेज हैव टू गिव इम्पॉर्टेंस इज कि अंडरस्टैंड द IMUCT वेल. Up till now there has been no negative marking, but there are chances that negative marking can be incorporated from this time. So please think twice before attempting your paper. Attempt a lot of MCQs from NCERT, RD Sharma, different books. NDA Pathfinder can be one of those books. Join our Telegram group called IMUCT Decoded, where a lot of questions are being polled every other day in the Telegram group by the teachers of JMDI Academy. क्योंकि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर बच्चा IMUCT और स्पॉन्सरशिप के लिए JMDI Academy पे आए. अगर आप अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते हैं, हमारी एक कोशिश है कि तब भी आप तक सही चीज़ पहुंचे. तो प्लीज़ हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन कीजिए और वहाँ पर आपको सही इन्फॉर्मेशन, सही गाइडेंस फ्री में उपलब्ध रहेगी. दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा और अगर आप और जानना चाहते हैं IMUCT DNS स्पॉन्सरशिप के बारे में, तो हमारा एक और चैनल है JMDI Academy, उसे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ में इस प्लेलिस्ट को देखिए. इसके अंदर आपको बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज़ मिलेंगे और भी बहुत सारे नॉलेजेबल वीडियोज़ IMUCT के बारे में मिलेंगे. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.